Hey, in this episode, I want to little bit talk about a different subject. As an experience that I had as a mechanical engineer, I used to use several softwares to 3D modeling and presenting the process of for example, the HVAC or the cooling process or regenerating the heats. And we used to use AutoCAD or like a 3D Max or Revit. And it shows the map of the process and the final 3D modeling of all of the projects that related to the mechanical engineering or all of the engineering field. And right now, as a video editor, I'm conscious about to understand the behind the scene of 3D modeling in art industries, like 3D animations or creating 3D characters in animation industries. So I know so many softwares like a Blender that gonna be well known as the most useful software for creating 3D models or 3D characters in animation industries. As a new in this industry, I want to save my time. So in one of the podcasts that I listened this week, by searching through the websites and the podcasts related to the AI industries, I found that the platform gonna be useful for creating 3D animations without knowing too much about blenders and a huge background of animation creating. Its name is Claude. Today I wanna go through the Claude as a first user to understand exactly what is it and how can I use it. I have to sign in. Okay, it's done. So you can use the free one and the pro one. So I prefer to use as a just compare with what are the features that they have here. Generate code, visualize data and analyze text and image, personalized writing, access to privacy first, intelligent AI assistance. So for the pro one, more users than free, organized documents, chat with the projects, access additional cloud models. Use Claude AI. I start with the 0 one, with the free one. I don't want to lose anything, just gonna try that. Okay, continue with free one. Yeah, here. Directly we go to generated 3D models. I have the Blender application in my computer. Just I want to ask questions about generating the 3D models. Okay, so I start with a simple prompt that's gonna be useful. Generate 3D modeling for something there. Track. Okay. Smart and with develop. Okay, so let's try. Yeah. I'll create the React. Oh my god. Okay. Interactive 3D HVAC system model. Okay. I'll create the React component that demonstrates a 3D model of an HVAC heating ventilation. Okay. System using 3D. This is gonna be provided interactive visual of key moments. Okay. I could ask to do this based on the Blender software. Yeah. I didn't do that, but I just try that. What's happening here? Quick and drag to rotate. We want to use that animation process to show the mechanical engineering subjects. Back to the platform. We try the other way. Okay, so generate the 3D animation of cooling process. No. For Blender. This Blender Python script creates an animated visualization of the refrigeration cycle with the following key features. So I tell him it has error. This error, I just tell them. I apologize for the error. Could you provide credit working? Okay. We just tried the we just tried the modeling this process as a animated 3D models for like a educational videos or marketing system that you are producing for the here the default workspace that you see is just a cube here in the Blender. So I have to just paste it and run the code. So check what happened. Okay, it gave us 4 components like a compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion values. So I'm sure we gave it a bad prompt to generate these components. You just create the components here like it's just 3 items that we have here. Nothing happened. I think it's a complicated process that we ask AI to generate. Okay, let's try the easier one. Generate a house with the tree or Blender. Okay, it's creating a new code here, the Python code. House, tree, and camera and lighting, additional features. Open Blender, go to the scripting. Okay, workspace. Okay, just copy it in here. Okay, that's it already. Oh, okay. You see the new one. You can check it here. It's just a house we have with the camera, the cone, cube, cylinder, plane, and sphere and sun here. Okay. It's not like a house, but I understand the logic. It's gonna be tree here, a tree close to the house, and gonna be a like windows maybe, and the roof side. So as we saw here, we have to use better prompt to have a better results. Okay, so we tried the HVAC process. It was a complicated process that AI can understand the logic, but there were no best result for Blender and to represent the process as a animation HVAC engineering or animation HVAC visual scene that gonna be useful for using for example like a educational videos or marketing videos. So here we tried the other prompts to create a house with a tree, and as you saw, it was a it's not look like a tree. It was something here close to the tree. It was something that close to the house, but with the Windows or something. So we try to use the best prompts. If you have any prompts for creating 3D models by using a Blender and AI based platform, please mention in comment and we're going to use it for the next episodes. So thank you so much for watching.